So you may have just picked up a pair of JLAB headphones, and you might be trying to figure out exactly how to use these types of devices. Now, using them is very basic. There's a lot of really cool stuff going on with these types of headphones as well. So we'll go ahead and kind of get started on how to kind of use them. Now, there's a lot of different pairs. These ones are like the Go Pop, I think, Plus versions, but there's a lot of different ones available, but the process is pretty much the same. To get started, if you want to put these particular models into pairing mode, it's very interesting. There's no button or anything. You're going to have to take these out of these particular cases like this, and then you put them basically in your hand and they will start being in pairing mode. Now, you can then go through and pull up your iPhone or Android or Windows PC or Mac, whatever you have, and you can then go ahead and make your way over into your Bluetooth settings right into here. You want to go and click on Bluetooth, and you want to go ahead and find those headphones. They should pop up under searching down here. So you can go ahead and find them whichever way you want to, but for us, they're right up here. So once they're connected, you're basically good to go. If you have a battery widget, you might also be able to see your battery life instead of these, battery widget as well. Now, once you go and have them, there's a couple things to keep in mind. These are very different headphones depending on which ones you have. The case itself is a charging case. So you're able to go through and put these things right inside of these little pod areas right here. You can take them out, plug them in right there. That's a really cool thing. Once they're closed, they're pretty much closed, they're good to go. If they're open, it kind of knows it. Now, there's nothing else on the sides. This is pretty much built completely out of plastic. On the bottom, though, we do have our charger. Now, it's not a charging port, which I actually kind of like this a lot. It's like a built-in charger that just plugs into the side, and this is actually really convenient. I honestly wish more devices did this, just have something built in. I also wish it was kind of interchangeable because if this breaks, then the whole thing kind of breaks. But if you're able to plug this thing in and charge it, that's basically how you do it because it is a very easy thing to kind of do at that point. Then we get into the headphones themselves. Now, these headphones are super basic, so you do have the capability of having these headphones in like this. So these headphones I think are really nice. They have the capability of basically doing whatever you want to do with them. You are, basically built out of plastic completely. Now you also can go through and change out these ear tips if you want to. So you have the capability of basically pulling these things out. You have the capability of putting new ones in if you want. So that is kind of a nice thing to kind of have happen there too. So you can go and take them out, pull them back in, and that is something that's really nice. Is everyone going to be doing that? Probably not. But if you put them in your ear for the first time, that might be something you might want to do. Now, once they're in your ear and they're connected, you're good to go. You can go and use these headphones whichever way you want to. You can play music and songs and all that stuff. But at the core, that's basically all you really need to know. They function like any other pair of headphones. They're just like Bluetooth wireless headphones, so they're pretty much the same thing when it comes down to that side. But at the core, that's kind of how you do it. It's a pretty basic process. That's essentially how it's done for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.